Today we're taking a tour of a home that combines the best of both worlds, the peace and charm of a suburban neighborhood and the convenience to the big city. If you're new here, I'm Angela Evans with Cincinnati Ohio Living, and thanks to the reader team at Hoding Realtors, we're going to take a look at this beauty today at 615 Colberry Court in Cleves, listed at $650,000. Imagine coming home to quiet streets in a neighborhood that feels like a retreat from the daily grind. Tucked away in Cleves, Ohio, just an easy 30-minute drive from downtown Cincinnati, this home checks all the boxes. We're talking space, style, and comfort, all in one amazing property. If you've been dreaming of the perfect place to settle down, you don't want to miss this. Before we jump into the tour, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap the bell for notifications. Cleves, Ohio is a charming village located just west of downtown Cincinnati. Within Miami Township, very close to the scenic Ohio River, this area offers the perfect blend of suburban peace and accessibility to city amenities. Whether you're drawn to the natural beauty, the quiet neighborhoods, or the strong sense of community, Cleves has something to offer for everyone. Miami Township is known for its outdoor attractions, with nearby parks, golf courses, and riverfront access, providing plenty of opportunities for hiking, fishing, golfing, and boating. Residents enjoy a slower pace of life with well-maintained homes, tree-lined streets, and a friendly, close-knit atmosphere. You'll want to be sure to check out places like Wild Mike's, an American eatery known for their wings. Grab brunch at the Oak Leaf at Aston Oaks Golf Course. And during the warmer months, check out the Cabana, an outdoor restaurant that sits right on the river and is always packed. Cleves is also part of the highly regarded Three Rivers Public School District, making it an appealing choice for families. There are also plenty of private schools in the surrounding areas. While it offers a tranquil retreat from the urban hustle and bustle, it's still conveniently located for commuters, with easy access to major highways like I-275 and State Route 50. These connect you to the heart of the city and make travel throughout the tri-state area easy. All right, now that we know a little bit more about the area, let's go take a look inside and see why you might want this to be the next place that you call home. Sitting on 1 acre on a private drive with no HOA, this 4,700 square foot full brick home with 3-car garage is immaculate with top-of-the-line amenities. As we enter into the grand foyer, your formal dining room is on the left, and your living room is on the right, and both of these feature marble flooring. Then, as we head towards the great room, you'll see the rest of the first floor has beautiful hardwood floors. Your 2-story great room has a gas fireplace and automatic blinds, allowing tons of natural light in. Plus, it's open to the gorgeous remodeled kitchen. Directly off your kitchen is your laundry room and garage entry. The kitchen features granite counters, tile backsplash, 2 ovens, a gas range, and a large pantry. Right off the kitchen is the Florida room that walks out to a large 32 by 18 back deck overlooking a wooded area. It is so peaceful back here. As we head back through the great room, there's a half bath and a study or potential 5th bedroom or guest bedroom. Now let's head upstairs, where you'll appreciate the hardwood floors that are in perfect condition and the overlook down to your great room. 3 bedrooms and a full bath offer plenty of space in addition to the primary suite. The primary bedroom is light-filled and inviting with a vaulted ceiling, fireplace, walk-in closet, and a luxurious remodeled bathroom with granite counters, a large shower, and a soaking tub. Now let's head to the finished lower level, offering even more space. A full bathroom and unfinished space allow for plenty of storage, and an added bonus is that the furnace is brand new. The lower level features a wet bar, pool table, large rec space with walkout to your patio, and your very own private home theater with surround sound and all of the equipment included. And yes, the pool table does come with the house. And that's a wrap on our tour here at 615 Colberry Court in Cleves. What do you think? Drop a comment below on your favorite part of this home. From the kitchen to the home theater to the excellent outdoor space and just the peace and quiet of this private drive. I can't make a decision what my favorite part is, but I do know that this home has a lot to offer. Whether you're looking for a peaceful retreat, a great place to entertain, or a place with room to grow, this one definitely checks a lot of boxes. If you liked what you saw today and you want to know more about the homes here in Cincinnati, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'm always here to help with any questions you might have about living or moving to Cincinnati. You can find all my contact information in the description box below. And of course, if you enjoyed this tour, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell for notifications. And don't forget to share this video with a friend now. Thanks for watching today.